श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimad-Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Parikshit Narendra started repenting, regretting about the mistake that he has done to that Muni, and also he started recollecting the Munikumara's curse, Shapam. And then slowly Parikshit Narendra started detaching from all kind of mundane pleasures and luxuries, and started paying complete his attention towards the divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma with his focused mind. Krishna Angri Sevam. He is getting ready to dedicate himself to the seva of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and also Adhimanyamanaha. He is making up his mind to think that there is nothing superior than Sri Krishna Paramatma's seva. He prepared like that, and he went to the Ganga Tiram. There he sat very stable with all his peaceful mind. Chittamu Govinda Padayattamu Gavinchi. Now his mind is, Manas is completely occupied with Sri Krishna Paramatma. And then Tattaramuleka, he is not at all getting scared, and there is no fear at all. He started getting detached from mundane pleasures. Not only that, he is also not at all willing to get any kind of heavenly pleasures, but he is now completely engaged in Sri Krishna Paramatma's dhyanam and sat on the banks of Ganga river. Why he went to Ganga? He felt that Ganga Jalam Krishna Angri Renu Abhyadhika Ambu. Ganga Jalam is purified with the divine dust from the divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is the Ganga Jalam. Sri Tulasi Vimishra. The Ganga is mixed with, Ganga is filled with Sri Tulasi Dala. And that is how Ganga is purified. That is why he went to Ganga river. And he also knows that Ganga Jalam is the one which can purify all the Lokapalakas. Ganga Jalam is the one, Sa Ishan, which can purify even Paramasiva. Ganga Jalam is the one which can purify all the Devatas. That is why Parikshit Narendra felt that Kastam na seveta marishyamanaha. At the time of death, which would be the most sacred place for anyone to reach. That is why he went to Ganga river and sat over there and started meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma. He made himself detached from his body, his bodily related people, his bodily related possessions. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.